What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a super easy avocado toast recipe today on whole grain bread. It's going to be simple, absolutely delicious, and very filling and healthy. So let's get right to work. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using for ingredients for this toast today. I have Alpine Valley organic super grain bread. This product is sold at Sam's Club. It's pretty cheap and it's all natural. There's nothing like no chemicals or anything in it, and everything in it is organic. Tastes really good. I like the texture of it. So this is what I use. You can use whatever bread you like that's healthy and you enjoy. I'm using 1 Hass avocado, Himalayan pink salt, olive oil to help the avocado emulsify a little bit better. You don't have to use it if you want less fat. I'm going to use about a teaspoon. I have 1 jalapeno that's been cored and deveined, 2 small red tomatoes. I'm going to be feathering a couple of slices off this onion, and I'll be adding that in too to add a little bit of crunch and also flavor. And I'm using a half a lime. So first thing we're going to do is take our bread and put it in the toaster and get our guacamole or toast spread going. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the avocado, slice it in half down the middle. Just the core, the pit. Gonna get that out. Then, as you can see, there's some stuff left around the seed. I'm gonna get that off with a spoon so we can use it. Save a good amount of it. Now we're just gonna take out the flesh with a spoon, and you basically wanna go under it on the edge and just kind of work the spoon in there, and you'll get it all out. Basically nothing left. And you can always go back and scrape whatever little bit is left, but everything there is avocado. So you get a pretty good amount out of 1 small little Hass avocado. So I'm going to set that aside. Okay, so I'm going to take the little jalapeno canoe and we're going to cut it into strips. Just like that. And then I'm just going to dice it into small little pieces. And I'm going to mix it in to the avocado. So basically this is what we have so far. Take the juice from the lime. Squeeze it in there. About a teaspoon or so of olive oil. You're gonna go ahead and mash. If you have a potato masher, it will work even better. Probably a fork would even work better than this spoon. You just want to kind of mash it into a little paste. The idea is to get a chunky, buttery consistency that resembles a spread. You can put right over your bread with a little bit of onion, tomato, whatever else you like. You can use smoked salmon slice, but you can set this up the night before, you know, and leave it in your refrigerator, and then for breakfast you can have it, or you can have it between meals as a snack, however you like. So that's pretty much the consistency that we want. Show you guys. Just like that. I like it chunky. You could make it even smoother. But this is good for me. I like it like this. You still like to get little pieces of avocado in there. So I'm going to set that aside. Take the onion. And I'm just going to cut a couple of really thin little feathers off of it. Just like that. Just to add a little bit of crunch to our toast. And then with the tomato, I'm gonna also slice it. That many pieces. I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, so now we have here our toast. As you can see, guys, this has got like, I think like 14 different grains. It's got even oatmeal, I believe pumpkin seeds, all kinds of stuff in it. It's really, really good. The texture is actually amazing. So I'm gonna take my two toasts here. I'm gonna bring my avocado over. I'm gonna add, actually let me, alright, so I'm gonna bring my guacamole. I'm gonna add a little bit of my sea salt, and this has got some chili flakes in it also. Mix that in. And you want to, you know, salt to taste. Alright, so now we're going to take our toast, use this as a nice buttery spread on it. And you could actually do a sandwich, or you could leave it as an open faced toast, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to top it and eat it like that. And trust me, this is really, really good. I mean, it is delicious. It's a little zesty, it's a little salty, it's fresh, it's amazing. Okay, so we're going to put it on our plate over here. Look how nice that looks. Look at that, with the jalapenos. It's nice and buttery. It's got all of that whole grain goodness in there. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. It's crunchy, perfect breakfast. So what are we going to do now? So I'm going to add about 2 tomato slices each. Just like that. Give it some more color. And about 2 pieces of onion. Now let's do 3 pieces of onion. So just like so. And that's basically the recipe. Perfect avocado toast with tomato and onion. Super easy to make, delicious, great way to start your morning, simple and fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm gonna give this toast a try, give it a taste, let you guys know how it came out. It looks really good. Whoa. Wow. The bread is really crunchy. It's perfect. The taste of the avocado is sweet, but it has a little bit of a zest from the lime in there. The onion adds a nice crunch and a nice flavor and zing to it. The ripe tomato fits right in there perfectly. Add some more sweetness. This is amazing. I could really make this part of like my everyday breakfast routine. It is a great breakfast meal. and it'll keep you full for quite a while. It's not that many calories, but it's a lot of fiber in this bread and the fats from the avocado. Great way to start your day.